Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 90 Hz refresh rate and 60 Hz refresh rate. Is there any difference in the Realme X2 Pro device after updating to the Realme UI? So let me show you friends what settings are, what are the phone settings and what is the Android version and as you can see here the Realme UI version friends, so it's Android 10 right now. So with the latest Realme UI there are like plenty of new features got added and pretty much everything got changed friends with the Realme UI. So let's check is there any change in the 90 Hz refresh rate option, what you can have it here, so whether you can do anything or not. So you need to go to the display feature friends. In the display you can find the option for the screen refresh rate. So let me tap on that. So here friends you got the option of choosing the auto select, so which is pretty good option friends. Before the update I did not have this option friends to select the auto select, so either you need to select the 90 or 60, but currently with the Realme UI update you got the option of choosing the auto select, so which is pretty good friends if you want to save a little bit of battery. And if you're wondering what live wallpaper I'm using currently here, so you can check the links in description friends for the wallpaper playlist, so where you can find plenty of videos related to the wallpapers. And as you can see friends, so this auto select feature will definitely save the battery friends. For example, there are few applications which doesn't support the 90 Hz refresh rate and you do not require that 90 Hz refresh rate, then definitely it will be decreasing to the 60 Hz refresh rate friends, so which is very advantage if you're choosing this kind of auto select. So definitely friends, I'll be doing in-depth battery backup review on the Realme X2 Pro as well after updating to the Realme UI. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends. So definitely I'll be posting plenty of videos related to the Realme UI friends in terms of the Realme X2 Pro device. So recently when I did the always on display features what got added in the Realme X2 Pro, so where the app icons now you can clearly see on the device. So same kind of feature I'll be highlighting each and every detailed feature friends what it got added with the new Realme UI. So do comment below friends what you want me to do, any videos particular you want me to do. Definitely I'll be covering most of the requested video friends, and my next video will be on demonstrating the screen recording features what got added in the Realme X2 Pro device after updating to the Realme UI friends. And for more videos subscribe to my channel friends, and don't forget to check the links in description also for the playlist of wallpapers and other smartphones, so where you can find plenty of useful applications friends. So that's it for this video friends, see you in the next video. Until then, bye.